afternoon, shine this week. That was last week. Quite a change coming up. Yes, snow in the forecast, mostly over the hilly regions, the high ground of Scotland and Northern Ireland, across parts of the Cheviots, through the Pennines and the North Yorkshire moors. Snowfall is forecast in the next few days. It's going to get cold by daytime and at night. Frosty weather at first only in Scotland, but soon, by the middle part of the week onwards, widespread frost likely each night across the country, and quite a sharp frost likely, particularly I think Friday night. Only the coastal districts probably escaping by a degree or so, and a cold north wind bringing that weather in. At the moment, the high pressure is beginning to move out into the Atlantic, allowing these weather systems to slowly move in across the country. Now, this one is going to hang around across Northern Ireland, southern Scotland, northern England and North Wales, probably for about the next 36 hours or so. Only during Tuesday does that low get a kick and start moving away. After that, we're into this run of cold, mostly northerly winds. They're with us right throughout the middle part of the week, indeed right into Friday, though by then we'll start to see some more changes. This big high pressure ridge toppling in from the west will start to ease the winds in the west, and the showers that come on that wind will also die out in these western districts. But it's from the west that we're seeing the cloud rolling in all but slowly through this Easter Sunday. Still some bright weather around in eastern Scotland, much of eastern, central, southern parts of England and Wales too. In the far south, we're likely to stay dry and quite bright, with a few sunny intervals for the rest of the day. But across northern England and North Wales, we're going to see the cloud thickening. It's already turned dull and drizzly over Northern Ireland, parts of southwest Scotland, and these other regions of central Britain continuing to cloud over through the remainder of the day, with some light and patchy rain arriving by the end of the evening, if not well before. The only exception up in the far northeast of Scotland, where already the cold weather and the wintry showers have arrived. Overnight tonight, it's still the same area from western Scotland down through in towards central and northern England that sees the rain. By the end of the night, perhaps turning cold enough over the southern uplands of Scotland for a little sleet and snow over the hilltops. Mostly dry but cloudy in the south. The cold, showery weather over Scotland, slowly moving southwards, bringing the first of that frosty weather. And for Easter Monday, some more of those sleet and snow showers. The main area of rain still in the same place again. In the south it'll be cloudy but mostly dry, perhaps a little rain arriving later in the day. The wetter weather taking over Northern Ireland. As it clears, turning to sleet and snow over the hills here and perhaps over parts of Cumbria, southern uplands and in there towards the northern Pennine regions. The temperature's taking it already in the north. Then on Tuesday, the rain across southern Britain clearing away. We're into the sunshine and the showers, many of them of sleet and snow, mostly around the western, the northern and the eastern coast, with protected areas in central districts, southwest Scotland and Northern Ireland remaining mostly fine, with that cold north wind eventually giving up on Friday.